Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylicia. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my full in-depth hygiene routine from products, application, dental hygiene, skincare, facial. Everything will be included in this video. So if you would like to see my routine, keep watching.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing. Yeah.
Okay, let's jump right into it. So step one of my hygiene routine is face cleanser, and I use the Derma E, which you can buy on Amazon. I got mine from Sprouts. It is a new product to my routine line, and I am obsessed. I love it. It lathers so well. I am a double cleanse type of girl, so I wash my face twice before doing any type of skincare mask or anything. And this is so good. Sometimes I really don't even need the second wash. It's very moisturizing. It's just a must. You should definitely add it to your skincare routine. Then secondly, I am going to apply my Holy Grail, my Noxzema, which I have been using forever, okay? I apply this on a clean face, and I use, I believe it's an Eco Tool brush. I think it's a foundation brush, but I actually never used it for that, so I just use it to apply my mask. And I let that dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's really no time frame. You just apply it and take it off when you're ready. So while we allow the mask to sit, we're going to move on to our feminine area of skincare. I am a wax girl, but with me living in Florida, I love to have a clean bikini line at all times. So I do cheat and use Nair from time to time. I do use a spatula to apply it. And then I use I don't know what you really call this. It's like a loofah in the form of a rag. And to me, it helps really exfoliate the area and remove the hair better than anything else. And then I follow up with a scrub. And the scrub, to me, just adds that extra layer of moisture and softness to the skin, exfoliate in that area after using that Nair. They do have Nair for sensitive skin, but I feel like the regular Nair along with my scrub, and then I also use a product called Tender Skin, which is good for ingrown hairs. That combo just works for me, so do what works for you. Moving on, we're going to go into skincare. So as you seen earlier, I applied my face mask, which I allowed to dry while I did my Nair session. So I take the Nair off first, because you're really only supposed to let that sit for 10 minutes, and then I wash all the product off my face, and then I move on to dental hygiene. And I use Crest, very basic, and then I use the Thera breath mouthwash, which all the girls use now. And then I'm going to show you guys what I use for my body. So this is my Dr. Bronner's, and I like to use a loofah, or I use like a loofah glove. I guess that's what you call it. I don't know, I'm having a brain fart today. But I love this because I feel like you get into all the nooks and crannies. You're not missing any spots. I do like my loofah, but I do like to switch it between the two of them. I don't know, just because I like to. And of course, we're not going to forget those feet. We got to get the toes. We got to get the legs, because the water does not wash down and clean anything. You have to scrub the areas that need to be scrubbed. So yeah, that's what I use. And then moving on, I like to use the honey pot. I used to use a different product, but she discontinued. I think she is doing a revamp. I'm not sure, but this is the new Vag wash that I use, and I do like it. So moving on to our curly hair tutorial. Don't mind me, I left a little bit of the mask underneath my eye on my right side, but just pay attention, okay? So I have in a 16-inch Burmese curly frontal wig, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with making sure that my hair is saturated with water. So I have about a 4-day-old wash and go, and it needs to be refreshed, so this is me refreshing it. I am saturating my hair with water, and I'm detangling it starting from the ends only. As you see, I have been focusing on the ends this whole time. Once I feel like the ends are nice and combed through and detangled, I will bring my detangler up, so this way I'm not causing any additional pulling or snagging and ripping of the hair. So this part you really do want to take your time, because it's just essential. It's no rush. Just let the water saturate your hair and moisturize it, so this way it can create that silk lube to be able to comb through. And I'm not using any product. Like I said, this is a second wash and go on this hair, which means that with me adding water to it, I'm kind of reactivating the product that's already in it. Only thing I'm going to add to it is my definer, which I like to just use Eco Styler gel. And then to help keep the moisture in, I like to use oil, and that's pretty much it. So I already shampooed and conditioned my hair a few days ago. There's really no need to shampoo and condition again. This whole process is really just to detangle, add more of a product definition since it's been 4 or 5 days, and yeah, so this is how I do it. It is a frontal, and obviously my frontal is not being covered as I am doing this, but if your application of your wig is good, you should have no issues with your wig coming off. I've literally gone swimming with a wig before. I washed my hair before on vacation after going swimming, and I've had no problems, so you shouldn't either. Moving on, we're going to do our moisturizing step. And after this type of shower, make sure I'm locking in that moisture. And the two products that I use is called Ordinary, and I got that from Sephora. And then I use a Morning Glow, which I order off of Amazon. I actually discovered it at TJ Maxx. Yeah, so I use that over my whole face, and I love it. Holy grail, okay? Then for my body, I use the Vaseline body gel, and I really do love that. It just works so good. When I say, like I said, I have really dry skin, and it's the summertime, and I know some people don't like to use oil because you think you're gonna cook up and bake up your skin, but baby, I cannot be outside looking like a little gray oatmeal cookie, okay? I need to look like a little moisturized chocolate chip. So that's what I use on my whole body. I do not skip the feet because nobody want no little ashy toes. So I use that on my whole entire body. And then once I'm done with that, we're gonna go ahead and get dressed. We're really just gonna get dressed to chill around the house. So I'm gonna just throw on some PJs, and I decided to put on this 2-piece that I got from Shein, and I'm gonna pair it with my Giorgio Armani Aqua. And that's like I love that fragrance for in the house, or just really you could use that fragrance anywhere, okay? And then I'm gonna moisturize my lips with my burpees. And now we're all done. We are moisturized from head to toe. So this is my skincare hygiene routine. You can do this routine at night or in the morning, whatever suits you best. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.